There might be some cases in a workout in which you want to perform your exercises based on reps rather than for time. So let's say, for example, you want to do 10 seconds of push-ups and then you want to do 10 reps. You can do this with exercise timer. So let me show you how. Open up the app, press the plus and create new workout. I'm going to name this reps tutorial. And let's add an exercise, let's add sit-ups for example, and I'm going to make this 4 times, so I have 4 times selected, and I'm going to set it to 20 seconds. I'm going to press done, and I'm going to add another interval, but this time 4 reps. Okay, so plus, add exercise, and I'm going to add squats. And this time I'm going to press 4 reps, and from here I can set the amount of reps. If you leave it to 0 reps, it won't sort of calculate anything. It will just let you press next. For example, if you don't know how many reps you want to perform, just leave it to 0. But if you know how many reps you want to perform, for example, let's say I want to perform 10 reps, set the amount of reps in there. And also here you have the option to set the estimated duration for the 10 reps. So, for example, if for the 10 reps you think it will take you like 25 seconds, set it to 25 seconds. This estimate is basically to calculate the total workout time, so you don't really need it, but it will help to calculate this total duration here. So, for example, for now it's 45 seconds, but if I add the reps, it will come like 4 to 3 minutes, for example. If I had to change the estimated duration, for example, let's make it something a bit extreme, like 2 minutes, and press done, it will increase the total workout time. Okay, so let me show you how this will look during a workout. So save this and open it and press start.
Lap 1 sit-ups.
If I press next, you have this screen to do 10 squats, and this timer here will count up how much time you're taking to do them. If during your workout, for example, instead of 10 reps, you did 15, ideally you write it in here. So go to the list mode, tap the 10, and for example, put in 15. And this will help your statistics sort of after the workout to know how much reps you did. And it will also show in your exercise progression. So sort of how many reps you did on the particular exercise for like the last week, for example. Okay, so when you're done with a particular reps exercise, just press reps done.